Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we're going to do something powerful. We're going to practice shadowing. Shadowing is simple. I will say a sentence. Then you repeat it after me, out loud. Try to copy my sound, my speed, and my rhythm. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak. We'll practice useful, everyday sentences. Sentences you can use in real life. Find a quiet place, sit up straight, and let's begin. Listen and repeat after me. Part 2. Let's start with our morning. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. Great job! Let's continue. Part 3. Morning Routine 2. I make some coffee. I make some coffee. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I check my phone. I check my phone. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I leave the house. I go to work. I go to work. Wonderful! You're doing great! Part 4. Common Daily Phrases 1. Now, let's practice some common phrases. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Excellent. Keep going. Part 5. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. No problem. No problem. That's okay. That's okay. Perfect. You sound more natural already. Part 6. Useful Questions 1. Now, let's practice useful questions. Repeat after me. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do? Can you help me? Can you help me? What time is it? What time is it? How much is this? How much is this? Great work. Let's keep practicing. Part 7. Useful questions 2. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? What does this mean? What does this mean? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? How do you say this? How do you say this? You're doing so well. Part 8. Feelings plus small talk 1. Now, let's talk about feelings. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am happy. I am tired. I am tired. I am hungry. I am hungry. I feel great. I feel great. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Beautiful. Let's continue. Part 9. Small Talk 2. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. The weather is great. The weather is great. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? What are your plans? What are your plans? Long time no see. Long time no see. Take care. Take care. Fantastic. You're almost there. Part 10. At work/school. Now, some sentences for work and school. Repeat after me. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I'm a little busy. I'm a little busy. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain that? Can you explain that? I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Great job. Part 11. Shopping plus restaurant. Now, sentences for shopping and eating out. Repeat after me. How much is this? How much is this? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll have a coffee. I'll have a coffee. Can I get the check? Can I get the check? It's delicious. It's delicious. Wonderful. Part 12. Now, let's talk about our evening. Repeat after me. I go back home. I go back home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I watch some TV. I watch some TV. I call my family. I call my family. I read a book. I read a book. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. Excellent! Part 13. Positive sentences/confidence. Now, let's practice some positive sentences. Say them with confidence. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I can speak English. I practice every day. I practice every day. I am getting better. I am getting better. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will not give up. I will not give up. My English is improving. My English is improving. Amazing! Part 14. Wow! You did wonderfully today. You practiced so many useful sentences. I'm really proud of you. Remember, the secret is to practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day will make a big difference. Come back and shadow with me often. Here's your homework. In the comments below, write one sentence in English that you practiced today. I read every single comment. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more speaking practice. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now!